Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make bat brownies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 package of brownie mix and everything it calls to make it on the back of the box. And you do want to do a 13 by 9 family size. Then we need some kind of chocolate chips, any kind you like for that too, because we are going to melt those, and that's going to be our little body that we're going to attach our candy eyes to, so you also need candy eyes. And then here I have some Oreos, and I just broke them in half, and that is going to be our bat wings. Preheat the oven per back of the box, and line a 9 by 13 baking dish with parchment paper. I sprayed mine with cooking spray first, and then go ahead and prepare your brownie mix per your package and pour it into your prepared pan. I just spread my brownie batter out into my 9 by 13 baking dish, and we're just going to go ahead and cook that per the back of our box. My brownies came out of the oven and I let them cool for about 20 minutes, and then I cut mine into 12 bars. And then as you can see, I already put my Oreos in there. I just kind of pushed them down in and tilted them up to resemble the bat wings. And I did have mine touched because I'm going to put the frosting or the melted white chocolate right there, or melting chocolate right there, and then my brownies have been completed and they turned out so cute. You just want to melt your chocolate in a microwavable safe bowl, put it into a piping or ziploc bag, cut the tip off of it, and just drizzle it on down the back and to hold the cookies in there, and in the front to make a head. And then you just stick your eyes in there, and they are so cute. I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. I've got one here for Taste Tester, so let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Damn, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Happy Halloween.